Hyundai has disclosed its people to come, 2019 Santa Fe. Initially, to clear up, the Santa Fe nameplate will replace the present 5 Traveler Santa Fe Sport. This new age includes another outline, new innovation, and another diesel motor choice. The Hyundai Santa Fe has another look that falls off, not so much hybrid but rather more SUV than previously. It looks more extensive, more strong and greater than the vehicle it replaces, with Hyundai's substantial falling grille and accessible 19-inch wheels. Inside, it has an even format to give a feeling of width. Huge window opening give enhanced perceivability, notwithstanding the rising beltline. It includes another instrument board with a 3-dimensional look, and the infotainment screen has been repositioned to decrease glare. Another head-up show will likewise be accessible. The 2019 Santa Fe will offer a 2.4-liter 4-barrel motor useful for 185 strength, or a turbo 2.0-liter 4-chamber offering 232 horsepower. A 2.2-liter diesel motor will be accessible, giving around 200 horsepower and 320 pound-feet of torque. The diesel model will be the just a single to offer discretionary third push seating. Each will be associated with another 8-speed program transmission. For Solace's purpose, Hyundai has overhauled the suspension, especially in the back, to give a smoother ride. Hyundai likewise offers a discretionary load leveling suspension for a consistent ride-alness, notwithstanding when stacked with freight or towing. Its all-wheel drive framework gives ability in dreadful climate, and highlights distinctive modes to convey torque for enhanced execution. To enhance well-being and comfort, Hyundai incorporates various driver helps in the new Santa Fe. This incorporates Path Keep Help, unpredictable versatile voyage control and around-sea screen. Also, it offers a rear seat occupant alert utilizing a ultrasonic sensor to distinguish movement of children or pets in the back. It additionally offers safe exit assist, which keeps you from opening the entryway when bike or vehicle comes in from the other side.